Are you perturbed by constant measure to draw geometrical design? Here is a simple way out without using a scale. And then you fold the paper, taking half the sheet, and the sheet out. It's a A3 size sheet, so I'm just cutting it out. Okay, then fold again into 3 portions, 1, 2, equally into 3, and then press it so that you have the boxes ready in no time. And then all you have to do is to help the students work faster, ask them to fold this exactly like a square, fold the square into a triangle. And here too they will do the same, but they will fold the paper first and then fold this and like this. Done. Open it. Now when you open this, you have lines. You already have one geometrical shape ready. We are going to put in a few more lines. On this, again, we will divide it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, line like this. In the center. One more geometrical design here. And the last one. Alright, and then into this we will draw lines further. Yes. Now into each of these boxes we are doing designs like this. 1, 2. Here will be a plus sign, a multiplication sign, then plus, you can do your designs as easy and fast as possible. Then you can decide on by if you want to paint, if you want to use colors, you want to use oil pastels. It's all left to you as to what medium you're going to use, and then make it as decorative and fun-filled activity. Let me show you the first step again. Now and then you can create your own design and own boxes depending on what you want to have it for. Whether you want it as a gift box covering, whether you want to paint it. You can do this directly on color paper, and then you can also decide. Now this is one way of doing it. Now this is a geometrical design. Can you see this? Like this. Now I take another sheet and I'm just going to show you the paper folding once again. Fold in half. Fold it half again. And fold it once more. And then fold this way. And the number of strength in the class is more. You cannot do it slowly, you have to do it fast, and there's an easier way for children to get their squares ready. If you can see it, you don't have to draw the lines on that. They can just decide directly whether they, just to show you, they want it like this, they want it this. Can be every alternative thing can be decided and done. But you'll have to use your imagination and creativity to get the designs. And then this. And here we are putting it up like this. You can create your own geometrical designs. Now the next one here again. And once you complete it, you can color it with oil pastes, as I have done for a simple design here. You can see. Hope this was helpful. Please give me your feedback.